morning everyone. Welcome to the YouTube channel of Lal Bagh Girls Inter College Lucknow. I am Shalini Malhotra. Children, today our topic in English literature is about the chapter. The chapter is the painting contest. So let us see what is inside this chapter. Children, this is the story about the two very awesome painters, Salim and Rahim. Two painters who lived in a kingdom long time back, which shows how the talent can often remain hidden until an opportunity arises. Until and unless we get the opportunity, the talent is hidden. Are these students in your class who are talented but whose talents are not known to others? Who wins the contest anyway? Is it Salim or Rahim? Read the story to find out. This story is about Salim and Rahim, the two awesome painters. People said Salim was the greatest painter in the land. The pictures he painted were so lifelike that no one could believe they are only pictures. They were only pictures. We must have an exhibition of his work, said the king of the land. Everyone agreed, except the Wazir. If you saw Rahim's work, your majesty, said the Wazir, you would not call Salim the greatest artist. The Salim was the very great painter of the kingdom, and his paintings were very much lifelike. Then the people said that no one can beat Salim. But the Wazir was not agreed to the people. He said that Rahim's work is also very nice. His work is awesome. And let us have the competition between Salim and Rahim. The king commanded both the artists to appear before him. Let there be a contest between them, he said when they came, so that the judges can decide who is the greater of the two, and gave him an award. He paused and then went on. Each of you will have a month in which to paint a picture, and you will each have a studio to work in. No one will enter your studio during the period. At the end of the month, there will be an exhibition of your work, and the judges will decide which of you is greater. Do you agree to these conditions? Yes, the king asked both the painters that they will be given 1 month time to show their paintings, to prepare their paintings, and then the judges will decide who will be the greater of the two. The artists said that they did. They were led to their studios and told to begin their work. At the end of the month, the king with the judges and all his court came to see their work. They went in first to Salim's studio. A curtain hid his picture from view. At a signal from the king, Salim drew it aside and showed him his painting, a garden full of flowers that bloomed. It was so lifelike that the people could not believe it was just a picture. But the real wonder happened when Salim opened a window. A swarm of bees flew in. They settled on the flowers. They took the painted flowers to be real. Yes, it was such awesome that when the time period ended of 1 month, then the king with the people and the judges, he went to see the painting of the two painters. First he went to the Salim's studio, and when they went inside, the Salim, he pulled the curtain off, and all the people watched a garden which was full of flowers. What he painted was the garden which was full of flowers, and it was blooming. And it was more wonderful when the people were wondered so much when they saw that the bees, a swarm of bees, a group of bees flew in. They thought that the painting and the flowers in the painting were real. They took the painted flowers to be real. The bees thought that the flowers are real. The courtiers cried out in amazement and delight. Surely there is no artist greater than Salim, they said, for the few very bees have been deceived by the flowers as he has painted. And just as the astonished and delighted king was going to announce that Salim had won the award, the Wazir reminded him that he had not seen Rahim's work. Yes, the king decided that Salim should be given the award, but soon Wazir said that we have not seen the Rahim's work, so we have to see Rahim's work also. Then we have to decide who is the greatest of them two. You are right, the king answered. though I cannot imagine anyone can do better than Salim, who has fooled the bees. They went to Rahim's studio. The king stood before a rich silk curtain which fell in folds, and the people arranged themselves behind him. They wanted to see the curtain opening. What wonder had Rahim hidden behind it? A landscape, a portrait, a new design of geometrical shapes. Open the curtain, the king ordered. But the curtain stayed where it was, and so did Rahim. He did not move from his place. What are we waiting for? He demanded the king. He glared at Rahim, who had a faint smile on his face. Well, said the king, why is no one drawing aside the curtain? Is this a joke you are playing on us? Rahim answered quietly. It's not a joke, your majesty. The curtain itself is a picture. It is not a curtain at all. It is only a picture of a curtain. Yes, when they went to Rahim's studio, Rahim was standing still, and all the people with the king, they stood before the curtain, and the king ordered Rahim to open the curtain, but Rahim stood still. Then the king again commanded, why was he not opening the curtain? Then Rahim answered quietly that it's not the curtain, it's the picture of the curtain. There was one moment of absolute silence, followed by loud laughter from the king. All of them were speechless by hearing that this curtain was not a curtain, it's the picture which Rahim has made. So he laughed. If Salim had deceived the bees, Rahim has fooled all the people of the royal court, including the learned judges. Yes, all the people laughed, including the king, that if Salim has deceived the bees, thinking that the flowers are real, Rahim has fooled all the people of the court and the judges, thinking that the curtain was real. And then and there he ordered that both the artists should be awarded. They both deserved the prize equally. Then the king, he passed the judgment that both the artists are awesome. They both deserve the award. Children, see these underlined words and just do it in the copies by putting the heading difficult words. So children, I hope that you have understood the chapter. Go through the reading of this chapter and take care of yourselves, and goodbye.